Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss and give you a walkthrough on how to create a simple point of sale using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video. Let's begin. So basically guys, I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. So we have your sharpening codes today.h for input output. Int main, it is the starting point of every program in C language. And then we have here begin, and then we have here a curly bracket. We have several variables: car, item name, the name of the product, quantity, integer, and then float, and total amount for computation. We have decimal places. Printf new line, the title, point of sale in C. In this line of code 11 and 12, we are asking the user to enter item name. We are using gets or get string item name. In line number 14 to 15, we are getting the quantity, decimal quantity. Line number 17 and 18, we get the price. So for the computation, total amount equals quantity multiplied by price in line number 20. Now in line number 22 up to 29, we display a printed invoice, item name, total quantity, price per item. So we have here the HP, Philippine peso, 5 decimal place, 5 integer to the right and 2 decimal places to the left. It is float. So price, total amount, HP in Philippine peso, 5 decimal places to the left, 2 decimal places to the right, total amount. New line here, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Return 0, it will return to our operating system, and then we have here the right curly bracket to close the main body of our function main. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with execute, compile and run. So point of sale in C, enter item name, let's say Coca-Cola. Quantity, we have 6, the price is 3.45. so we have here printed invoice, Coca-Cola, total quantity 6, price per item 3.45, the total amount is 20 pesos and 70 cents in the program. Another example, let us run. 555 sardines, quantity 120, the price is, let's say, 34.53. Printed invoice, item name 555 sardines, total quantity 120, price per item is 34.53 pesos, total amount is 4,143.60. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a simple point of sale in C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.